Welcome back. Today we'll talk about the CAT syllabus so that you know what shows up and what to prioritize. We'll start off with verbal, my favorite section. That's usually a slightly higher number with 24 questions. And of these 24 questions, 16 are reading comprehension questions. That is 4 RC passages, each with 4 questions. So this is basically 2/3 of the verbal paper, which means that you've got to prioritize this. There are certain genres from which we usually see one RC at least. And then there are some less common ones which you have to read next. So what about the remaining 8 questions? These are your VA questions, and this is where CAT plays around with the number or the question type, but we typically have some common question types. Now on to DILR. DILR is basically cases or sets where you'll have a backstory and certain clues, and once you solve that entire case, you usually get 4 to 5 questions right. So the current format is 22 questions, which is 4 or 5 question cases, a total of 5 cases. Now DILR does tend to be LR heavy, with numerical reasoning, ranking and matching being some of the more common types. But we've usually seen one easy DI set, which means that you've got to prepare those tables, graphs and charts too. Practicing daily in DILR is what will get you to 1 to 2 questions in mocks and in the actual exam. And now on to Quant, which is 22 standalone questions. Here, the most important topic is arithmetic and then algebra. But you also have geometry, numbers, and modern maths. So from an ROI perspective, RC, LR, arithmetic and algebra are your most important topics, and that's what we prioritize at MockCat. And if you want the prep plan that's worked for hundreds of MockCat students, just comment CAT 2026 and we'll DM it to you. Or if you have any other questions, just drop it here and I'll answer.